Hello students, let us solve exercise 4.3 question number 3. Question 3. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have A. 1 point in common, B. 2 points in common, C. 3 points in common, D. 4 points in common, E. 1 ray in common. So here first of all students we have to draw angles according to the given conditions. So every question is having different figures. What is angle students? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common starting point, and we will draw an angle according to these given situations. So let us draw figure. A, what is the question A? 1 point in common. So let us draw an angle with 1 point in common. So students, number A, we will draw an angle with 1 point in common. So here we will make a arrow as it is says that angle is having a made up of two rays starting from a common starting point. Let us give name A, C, O, B, D. Now students, here you can see angle AOB, angle COD having 1 point common, that is which point common? O point. When you can see angle AOC, angle BOD having 1 point common, that is which point? O. So here we have drawn an angle with 1 point as common, that is point O. So let us write solution. So students, solution O is the solution A. O is the only common point of angle AOB and angle COD. So there was the O, that is the only common point between these two angles. Now number B, 2 points in common. Earlier it was 1 point in common. In number B we have to draw an angle such a way that 2 points in common. So let us draw an angle. Students, let us draw first of all one angle. So students, this is one angle. Let us give name to this angle A, B and C. Let us draw another angle passing through this rays. So this is another angle passing through this rays, and let us give name to this rays also. This angle also D, E and F. Now you can see there are 2 points common. This is 1 point, that is M. This is another point, that is N. So here we have drawn angles with 2 points common. You can see angle ABC and angle DEF with the 2 points common, M and N. So let us write answer. So students, solutions, the angles angle ABC and angle DEF have M and N as the 2 common points. So here we have drawn an angle with 2 common points. Now question number C. 3 points in common. Now we have to draw an angle with 3 points in common. So let us draw an angle with 3 points in common. So here question number C. First of all we will draw one angle. So let us draw one angle. So students, this is one angle As we know the definition of angle, there is a two rays with one common point. So now let us give name to this angle, angle A, B, and here angle C. Now as it we have to draw an angle with three common points. So let us draw one more angle passing through this rays. So this is another angle that passes through this rays, and let us give name to this angle as E D F, that is D E F. So here we have drawn an angle that is D E F. Now you can see this is C point, this common point is L. Let us give name to this common point as F. So here you can see that this E is also the common point of this angle. So L, M and E are the 3 points which is common for these two angles. So let us draw this. Now let us write solution for this angle. So answer C is angle ABC and angle DEF have points. Which points were common? L, M and E as their 3 common points. So these are the 3 common points of these two angles. Now question number D. In question number D it is asked 4 points in common. So let us draw an angle with 4 points in common. So students, here question number D, we will draw an angle with 4 points in common. So let us draw first of all one angle and give name to that angle. So here we have drawn an angle and let us give name as D E F. Now students, let us draw another angle passing through this rays. So here we will draw another angle passing through this rays. So students, this is another angle. Let us draw ray symbol and the point. This students, this is F point, this is B point. So let us give name A, B, C. This is A point, this is C point. A, B, C for this angle. Now see, this is one point, this is second point common, this is third point and this is fourth point common. So let us give name L, M, N, K. So L, M and K are the 4 points common we get from these two angles. So let us write answer. So students, solution D, answer is what? K, L, M, N are the 4 common points between angle ABC and angle DEF. Why? Because between these two angles we find 4 common points. Now question number E. In question number E it is asked that one ray in common. Here we have to find one ray in common, not point. So now let us draw a figure such a way that one ray in common in an angle. So let us draw a figure. So let us draw a figure. So students, question number E, will draw one ray in common. So let us draw first of all one angle. So this is one angle which we have drawn. Let us give name to the angle, that is A, B, C. Now ray. So with this common point we will do one ray, we will draw one ray. So we get one ray in common between these two angles, and let us give name to this ray as D. So this is the way how we have drawn one ray. So this is the ray between this angle. So here you can see ray BD is the common ray between angle ABD and DBC. So this is the ray, common ray between angle ABD and DBC. So let us write. So solution E, ray BD, which was the common ray BD is the common ray, is the common ray. So this ray was common between which two angle? Between angle ABD and angle DBC. So we have find one ray common between these two angles.